fair bit of cooling, a fair bit of air conditioning, and so the costs of electricity are very high. And the solar technology has steadily advanced, and so we thought, right, now's the time to try to convert to solar. Today there's a lot of interest in environmental responsibility. There's a public expectation that people will try to head in this direction. So that fits in with us perfectly well, because we work on environmental issues and wildlife issues all around the world, so that again it was time for us to make a move. We advertised and got, I think there were 6 or 7 providers submitted quotes, and GEM really was one of the ones who took it very seriously. We looked at their record and it seemed to be very good, and we've been delighted with the service. They're very professional. They raised all sorts of issues that we hadn't considered and handled the whole thing very effectively and efficiently, and we were very pleased with the outcome. Yeah, I would recommend GEM to someone that was heading down the path we headed down. Certainly people that I'd feel confident could do a good job.